On today's video, I'll be showing you my Amazon must-have, starting out with Italia and these Kiss matte lipsticks. As always, I'm always a thirsty bitch. I'm having a mocha freeze. I bought these. I actually found these in Amazon. I saw them on TikTok and I said, girl, go get you some. So I'm starting off with the lip liners and then the lipstick. The lip liners are so easy to put on. They are very easy, it melts in your lips so easily. The lipsticks, on the other hand, are a bit sticky. I had to remove with my lip balm remover or makeup remover balm. I basically did a good job in removing it. I go in with different colors, reds, browns, pinks, nudes, and all of that. I was very, very impressed by the lip liners. I really enjoy putting them on. Aside from everything, I really enjoy the lipsticks as well because they are only, I believe, $13.99, so they're absolutely must-haves. They're really good, very small for on the go. The colors are very pigmented and they worked out very good. And again, another break is well needed and deserved. After my lips are super burning. We can say my lips are on fire, but I love trying on lipstick. All the colors are very nice. Like I said, the lip liners are a must have. As you can see, my lips are already red and I'm doing the lining, trying to go around my lip because it was so red. I'm not a person that likes red, but I was really digging the red look. It was amazing. It felt really nice and it looks nice. I could honestly say that these are really good for on the go. Whenever you're on a rush, you can just throw them in your bag and then put them on. It's easy to apply. You apply the lip liner and then the lipstick, and it looks really nice on. At the end, it was well worth it. I tried on 12 lip liners, 12 different colors, and 12 lip stains. Oh my god, look at that mess. It was a bad mess, but it was all worth it. Again, I'm gonna show you from lipstick to lip liner, from left to right, all the way to all the colors I tried. There's a good selection. There's nudes, reds, and pinks, and browns. I can tell you that these are definitely must-haves, especially the lip liners. They are amazing.